Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos on iPhone. Now, if say for example I'm going to go ahead and open photos and say there is a photos here that was deleted, most likely I'll be able to see that if I head over to collections and then open the recently deleted. Click this one right here in case you've added a Face ID here, and there you go. So now here are my deleted photos. You can recover them by clicking the click select here and then go ahead and highlight everything or all the things that you want to recover. Click this three dots again and you have the option to recover or permanently delete this. Now another thing that you can do is head over to the settings here and then open your iCloud. After doing so, you have iCloud right here, and if you head over to photos, what you can do is enable this one or sync this one. Now the problem is if you're experiencing similar to what I am right now, syncing pause because iCloud storage is now full, then what you can do is basically start deleting so that the next time you say for example have some items that you don't or that you are going to need, you'd be able to have a backup of them. Now in this case, what I can do is just try my luck, head over to Safari. I'm gonna open Safari right here and then type iCloud.com. Once you're here in iCloud.com, it is going to prompt you to sign in. Do so, and once you're here, head over where it says photos. Click this one right here and then hope that all of the photos that you want to be recovered has been saved or has been synced by iCloud. Now this is not going to be a purely successful one. However, if you're lucky that iCloud has managed to save your photo, then most likely you'll be able to recover it. It should be here, everyone. Again, that is how you're going to recover deleted photos on iPhone.